So guys, for the first step, once you're on this screen, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. Click on Shift and F10, and now this will come up, the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part, and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in list space disk, and then click on Enter again. Next, you want to type in select space disk space, and then the number of the disk that you want to install Windows on. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. I've only got one disk, which is disk 0. I'm going to install Windows on this drive. You might have more disks than me. You're going to know which disk is which by the size of the disk. So for me, I'm going to type in select disk 0, and then click on Enter. Once you select the disk that you want to install Windows on, now you want to type in clean, and then click on Enter again. For the last one, you want to type in convert space MBR, and then click on Enter again. And we can now close out of this. And now once we're here, you can now select your disk and then click on Next, and you can install Windows.